Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make or get video games in Infinite Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take earth. Then add wind to it. It will make dust. Then add wind to it. It will make sandstorm. Then add sandstorm to it. It will make dust storm. Then add sandstorm to it. It will make dust bowl. Then take water on other side. Then add dust to it. It will make mud. Then add mud to dust bowl. It will make mud bowl. Then add mud to mud bowl. It will make football. Then take dust on other side. Then add earth to it. It will make planet. Then add fire to it. It will make sun. Then add fire to it. It will make solar. Then add planet to it. It will make system. Then add fire to it. It will make computer. Then add football to computer. It will make Madden. Then add football to it. It will make video game. And that's how you make video game in Infinite Craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.